here with T-horse Motorsports. Want to get you up to speed on a golf cart issue we were having. It's a 1998 Yamaha G16 gas golf cart. So we were just going to use it, and every once in a while it just decided not to come on. So we started troubleshooting some things, trying to figure some things out. I thought maybe after 5 years the battery was dead. So went and replaced the battery, and of course, to no avail, same problem. So had to dig a little deeper, and what we found was, thinking it was going to be a big fix, was actually a small $12 fix. So I wanted to share this today, and hopefully it can help you. What this is the positive terminal that comes to the battery, from the battery to the machine. And you can kind of see, pretty gnarly. Not a lot of juice flowing through there. So headed over to AutoZone, found a nice brass new one for about 12 bucks. Pair of pliers, cut the lead, put the new one on, boom, good to go.
And remember, like, subscribe, and share this video so it can help as many people as possible.
Alright, let's head outside and see the finished product. Hey guys, we're outside. So here's the tools that we needed. Just a pair of Klein's pliers to snip the end of this lead. And a wire brush. The battery was new, but I wanted to clean everything up around it. So I had this big wire brush laying around, figured I'd clean it up. So let's go under the seat where the battery sits, and we will show you the finished product. So if you look down in here, when I said shiny and new, shiny and new. There's the new lead connector, and that made all our problems go away. Starts every time. So hope this is helpful.
And once again, remember to like, share, and subscribe so this message can get around to as many people who are having similar struggles.